Hello students, so today we will start the practical implementation of the order by and group by command. So let's start with the use of the order by command. So students, all of you know that was the use of the order by command. Order by command is used to sort any order in ascending or descending order. So we have to start our work. So before starting the use of order by command, firstly we have to open our database. So use, then school is my database name, so use school. Then after that I want to open my table also, so select start from table name student. Then after that we will start the practical for that students. Okay, so first of all we will start the implementation of the order by command. So according to the syntax, firstly we have to write select, then select if you want to display the all column, or if you want to display the some specific column, according to that you can set here. So if you want to display the all columns, you have to write select asterisk from table name student. Then after that you have to use the order by clause, order then space then by. So you have to remember one thing, that there is space between order and by. And order by, after order by you have to write the column name on which you want to apply the sorting. So here I am applying the sorting on the city column. So after that semicolon, we have to press the enter key to execute the SQL command. So the output you can see here students. So here city field is arranged in ascending order. You can see here that before the order by command, the city column values was Delhi, Delhi, Calcutta, Calcutta, Jaipur. Then now after order by command, you can see the city value, that it has arranged the city column in the ascending order. And you know students that when we apply the order by command on any column without any uh, without mention any order, whether it is ascending or descending, so by default it will arrange our column into the ascending order. So if you want to arrange the city column in descending order, then what we have to do for that? So you have to write DESC keyword after the column name. So select star from student, then order by city, and you have to write the descending order. If you want to arrange the city order records in descending order, then you have to write DESC keyword here. Then when you will execute this command, then what will be the output? You can see here students. Okay, so now you can see that city field is arranged or sorted in the descending order. Okay, so now student, that's the use of the order by command, that it is used to set any column of your table in any specific order, whether it is ascending or descending. And by default, if you will not mention any type of the order, then it will arrange the column in the ascending order. And if you will mention the DESC keyword, then it will arrange your specific column in the descending order. So now after order by, we have to start the implementation of the group by command. So students, what's the use of the group by command? I already told you about that the group by command is used to arrange the set of records in a specific criteria, or we can say that we can arrange the group of records according to the specific condition. So for that we have to use the group by clause. Okay, so you can see here that suppose in student table I want to arrange the records according to group by the class column. Okay, so here you can see that only three classes students are in this table, 12, 11 and 10, and I want to arrange these three classes students records in a group wise. So how we can do it? So select, then after select you have to write the column name that you want to display on the screen. Select class from student, then you have to use the group by clause, group by Then you have to apply the group by clause on the class column. So here you can see the output. So here I have committed the mistake, then there is error in the spelling of from. So here you can see the output that when you will arrange the class column group wise, then it will display the output just like that, 10, 11, 12, because the 5 records of a student table belongs to the 3 classes category, 10, 11 and 12. So here you can check the class column group wise. So for that you have to use the group by clause, and you have applied the group by clause on the class column. Now after that we will apply the group by clause with the aggregate function. So you can see here that if you want to count the number of records from the specific class, so what you have to do, you can write here select star from, or if you want to display only the class, so class comma count. I want to count the number of records from the each class category, then so count star from table name student. Now after that we have to use the group by clause, group by, then on class column I have to apply it. Then after that you can check the output that class group by clause is applied on the class column. So 10, 11, 12 is the answer, and count star by, you can see or you can check that in class 10 only one student record, class 11 1, and 12 3. So total 3 4 5 students records are present in the student table. So we can categorize the classes of students, and we can count here easily that how many student in which class. So in the same manner, if you want to apply any aggregate function with the group by clause, then you can do it. Now after that we will implement the next aggregate function sum. Select class comma sum, and I want to apply the sum function on the fees column. So fees, I want to uh, know the sum of the fee according to the category of the classes. So sum fee from student table, from student, then we have to apply the group by clause, group by on which column, class column. Then you can check the output here. According to the group by clause, class is arranged in this manner, and you can find the sum of the fee of the class 10 student, class 11 student, and class 12 there are 3 students. So here is the sum of the 3 students fees of class 12. So in this manner, if you want to get the average, so you can use the avg function with fees. So here we can calculate the easy manipulation by using the group by clause and with the aggregate function. So students, now after that we will implement the group by function with order by clause. Okay, with order by and where clause. So select class comma is comma avg fees from student, and here I want to access only the record of class 12. So I have applied here the condition with the use of the where clause. So where class equals to 12, group by I want to apply on again class column. Then after that I want to apply the order by order by order by fees in descending order. So you can check here, select class column is displayed here, avg fees is also displayed here. From which table? From student table, where class equals to 12, so only class 12 record is showing here, only class 12 average fee is showing here. Group by clause, order by fees in descending order. Okay, so here there is no use of the fee in descending order, because only I have mentioned the class 12 student fee average, so only one class is here, so there is no use of the DESC command here. But you want you can apply here if you want to change the condition with where clause, and here you can see that it calculates the average fee. Also you can check here, the total or sum of the class 12 student fees is 73,000, and here when 73,000 is divided by 3, then we can calculate the AVG fees, that it's 2433.3333 etc. So here that's the use of the group by and order by clause in one command with the use of where. Okay, so here you can change the condition also, students. Now after that we have to use the group by command by having clause. So what we have to do right for that? So next command is select class comma count asterisk from student group by according to class, then having count star is less than 2. Then students, you can check the command, select class count star from student group by clause having count star is less than 2. So according to this command, we want to display the output that only the class and the number of the students belonging to the class category from the student table, and having means there is a condition that where count star column contains a value less than 2 only. Okay, so here we can check the output that the count star column can contain only the value less than 2. Okay, so only one value it contains, so class 10 and 11 can contain the 1 record. Okay, so here you can see that the having is used to apply any specific criteria with the group by command. Okay, so here we can say that if you want to apply condition with the group by, then you have to use the having clause, and having clause is used after the group by command. And if you want to use both where and having in the same statement with the group by, then you have to remember one thing, that where clause is used before the group by and having clause is used after the group by command. So that's the implementation of the order by and group by command with having and order by and where.